Hey, what's up, y'all? Found this 1979 Camaro. Do a little walk around. Don't mind this farmall tractor right here, which is pretty cool to itself. Camaro's been sitting for a long time. Let's see if I can open it up. Door handle's broken. Yeah, a little rough, but I like these old cars. Which I never drove a Camaro, but still, man, if I can pick them up, I get them. Got Pontiac rims on it. Airplane flying above. Yeah, I can't get in there because that door's messed up. And the little camper's blocking the other door to get in. So I guess I'll start talking about this tractor. This is a farmall. I think it's called a Super C. Row cropper. 4-cylinder. Needs a little work, but man, I bet you this thing will go too. Get up here. Oh yeah. Need new tires all the way around. Flat. Same red, almost. Yeah, maybe one day I'll get this tractor in the future. It's been sitting here, both of these items, for quite a while. Got the quick hitch disconnect. I just think they're cool. Anything old is cool. So yeah, I'll be coming at you with some more videos. Thanks for watching. Here's the motor. Been sitting for a while, as you can see. I'm gonna guess 10-15 years. Been sitting. Got headers. Got a Holly. Got a, looks like aluminum intake. Bet you it still run. But these old Chevrolets don't take much. Keep them running, or to get them running. Looking for a dipstick. Let's see. That's for transmission oil. Or is it motor oil? Yeah, transmission. Motor oil dipstick is right here on this side. Also got oil in her. Oh, that's good. Bet you put some more Mr. oil in her. Turn over a little bit. Let's just think might start up. If everything's there, just Been sitting for a long time. I mean, ain't the best condition, but pretty cool. Little Camaro. Well, thanks for watching.